Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete Thread account. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, open up Thread app. After that, go to your profile, then tap at that icon, go to account. On the screen, we can easily find deactivate profile. If we can tap on it, it will allow us to deactivate our Thread profile. The activation your profile is temporary. Your profile thread, replies and like will be hidden until you reactivate your Thread profile by a login back in, and also down below it says that this will not affect your Instagram account. If you want just to hide all of your Thread account, just stop at deactivate turns profile. If you want to completely remove Thread account, you cannot do that because Thread is powered by Instagram. And if you want to delete your Thread account, you need to delete your Instagram account. So by this way you can delete Thread account. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.